Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best accessory upgrade for the Mercedes-Benz W204 series. The Firefly's 4X error-free LED eyebrow eyelid light bulbs. If you own a W204 C300, C350, or similar models, this product promises to elevate your car's lighting game with style and precision. Now, let's talk about what makes these bulbs stand out. The Firefly's LED eyebrow bulbs are designed specifically for the front eyelid lights of the Mercedes-Benz W204 chassis. Covering models like the 2008 to 2011 C300, C350, C63 AMG, and several others within that range. These are not just any ordinary LED replacements. They come equipped with 18 super bright 4014 SMD LED chips per bulb, providing a stunning 400 lumens of bright, crisp white light with a color temperature of 6000 Kelvin. This means your car will have a sharp and modern look that truly enhances the vehicle's aesthetic appeal, especially at night or in low light conditions. One of the best features of these bulbs is their error-free CAN bus technology. Many LED upgrades on the market throw error codes or warning messages on your dashboard, but with these bulbs, you can forget all about those annoying bulb out alerts. The Firefly's bulbs are engineered to be completely plug and play, which means installation is hassle-free. No modifications or special tools are needed. Simply swap out the old bulbs with these, and you're good to go. Plus, the dimensions are made to perfectly match the stock bulbs, so fitment issues are practically eliminated. But don't limit yourself just to eyebrow lights. These T10 bulbs are versatile enough to be used anywhere a T10 bulb fits, whether inside or outside your vehicle. That adds an extra layer of value, giving you the flexibility to upgrade multiple lighting spots with one reliable product. In terms of durability, these bulbs offer an operating life of around 10,000 hours, which ensures they'll keep shining bright for a long time without needing frequent replacements. The build quality and performance make these bulbs a smart investment for anyone who wants a sleek, modern look combined with reliable function. The package includes 4 bulbs, enough to cover all the eyebrow lights on your W204. Each bulb weighs just a fraction of an ounce, so you get lightweight, energy-efficient lighting without sacrificing brightness or quality. In conclusion, the Firefly's 4X error-free LED eyebrow eyelid light bulbs are an excellent upgrade for Mercedes-Benz W204 owners. They provide bright, clean illumination with zero error codes, perfect fitment, and simple installation. If you want to enhance your car's front-end style and lighting reliability, this is a product worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more detailed product insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.